The human brain, it's our greatest asset. All knowledge, our identity, all human achievement starts here. But it can go horribly wrong. Diseases such as Alzheimer's kill more people than breast cancer and prostate cancer combined. Christos, Alzheimer's is particularly cruel.
It is indeed a terrible disease, and as you may note, Alzheimer's robs the wisdom and the memories that we have.
And there's no current therapy.
There has been $40 billion investment in the last 25 years trying to identify therapy for Alzheimer's, yet we do not have one. Currently, the industry is heavily relying on animal models.
So like a rat brain.
But the science and the research we do in animals doesn't translate into humans.
But you guys are doing something quite different.
Yes, so with Tessara Therapeutics, we've developed the REALBRAIN technology that allows us to create tiny versions of the human brain that we call mini brain.
Look at that. Paul, I gotta say, I'm intrigued by these mini brains. I can't wait to see how you work with them, but I'm not the only one intrigued.
Oh, absolutely, Mike. The whole field is now moving towards the utilisation of these non-animal-based models of disease. The FDA and other regulatory bodies around the world have actually removed the mandate for preclinical animal testing, and they're actually promoting now the use of human-based models for drug discovery.
So you guys are sitting in the box seat. Now, Krista, this is basically a mini brain factory.
That's right. So we can make hundreds, even thousands of mini brains every day. It's taking live human stem cells and it's mixing it with a jelly-like substance that we developed in conjunction with CSIRO.
With the Kickstart program.
So this material actually mimics the environment inside the human brain. So the stem cells are mixed with the material and then dispensed into a plate like this.
So what I'm looking at here is like, do I say fresh mini brains?
That's right. So fast forward 3 weeks and we end up with mature mini brains like Christos was showing you earlier.
So Mike, would you like to have a look at some of our microtissues under the microscope?
Okay, so this is a mini brain.
Absolutely. So this is a normal, healthy human mini brain. If we go to the next image, this is another example.
Oh, now something's going on here. This looks a lot different.
So you see all these red points throughout the microtissue? So they are actually the protein which are responsible for causing Alzheimer's disease. So this is where we've actually had a loss of cells and a loss of neural connections. So that's been the real innovation that Tessara has brought to the market, is the ability to very rapidly go in and test thousands of new compounds in a platform within a matter of days.
Right. So in the old-fashioned way, the animal testing way, how long would this take?
Well, you can be waiting 12, even 20 months in order to get a readout in an experiment.
Get out. And it doesn't have to be Alzheimer's. Like, you could give this mini brain a stroke.
Absolutely, and that's the big power of our technology, is it's very easy to then transfer this technology to other conditions. So we can model other neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's disease, for example, or maybe brain cancer. So that's the flexibility that we have.
Camille, this is the Melbourne Biomedical Precinct.
It is, and in the precinct we've got over 40 biomedical organisations.
Wow.
University of Melbourne here, Monash up there. We've got 5 world-class hospitals right here. It cannot be underestimated how much time, money and effort is involved in taking these medical discoveries all the way from a research environment to what we see in the clinic.
That's exciting for Melbourne, exciting for the world. Christos, it seems to me that this is a giant leap forward.
I believe it is, Mike. We allow biotechnology companies and the whole industry to identify more reliable therapies. We can take a cell out of your skin and we can turn it into a neuron, and with that we can make a human mini brain of your human mini brain.
Wow, and to work on my particular illness.
On your particular illness, yes.
Incredible. Yeah. The first thing I like about all this is the commitment to the reducing of animal testing. Tessara is accelerating the research, making it faster, more reliable, and more human relevant than ever before. And that is the real game changer here.